So, what are you in for? Well, my knee's feeling kind of weird. I think it sprained it or something, so I brought it here to get it checked. I hope it doesn't explode or anything. Look, you're getting in my personal space, okay? I mean, I know it's good music, but... Wait, what's going on? How are you doing
this? Ethan?
Kathleen?
And I see you met my brother?
This is your brother? Did you know he can do this?
Wait, he did that in front of you?
Yeah, the music thing, right?
Hold on. We came here for some MRI results for Jeffrey. I want to read them to you for quick. The results are inconclusive. It says that he has too much electromagnetic interference.
Okay, wait, but what about you? I mean, you were making music. I saw it. I heard it.
He's mute.
Oh. Well, can you tell me?
How about we meet at the park or something and I'll explain everything there. Come on, Jeffrey.
Okay, I'll see you there.
Nah, I guess.
Hey, Kathleen.
Hey, Ethan.
Oh, it's been a while, hasn't it?
Yeah, since high school.
Yeah.
You still in the theater?
Well, yeah, I'm actually in this board of directors in a local theater here. I mean, it's a small theater, but, it's pretty good.
You were always the dramatic one.
Yeah. Oh, so, this is your brother, Jeffrey. You haven't talked about him much in high school.
Yeah, our parents got too old to take care of him, so I kind of did.
Well, why do you have to take care of him?
He's autistic.
Oh, is that how he can do that music thing?
Well, that's why we went to the hospital, to find out why he can do that.
Do you mind if I ask him to play again?
Well, I mean, he's really shy, and I'm surprised he even did that in front of you. I mean, he's never met you.
Well, maybe I should get to know him more. Hey, I brought this chessboard here. Do you want to play? Whew. You're a pretty good player, Jeff. I'm almost beat. Did you hear that? No. Wow, that sound is incredible. I want to know what else you can do.
Well, maybe you can come over to dinner, and maybe he can show you more.
Yeah, I'll come over tomorrow.
Okay.
Good, now try the paper, Jeff. Now try the plastic. It's interesting. It's different depending on the material. Oh, but can you make it through the air? Like a theremin? No? Oh, come on, I'll show you. Oh, there. You see? Can you do that? Woo! Oh, this is so cool! Oh, Kathleen! Kathleen, look, I know the board of directors at a local theater here. I could get them to see them, and maybe we could get them on stage.
Listen, I know you're really, really excited about this, but he's way too shy and way too nervous around people. I'm surprised he took a liking to you so quickly.
Well, maybe he's getting out of his shell. I mean, this could really help him. Come on.
Well, if Jeffrey wants.
Oh, great. I'll set up an appointment for next week. Yes.
All right, show us what you got.
You can start now, Jeffrey.
I'm sorry, this clearly isn't gonna work.
Oh, no, please, I promise, you can do this.
Obviously, this man isn't fit to perform in front of an audience.
Oh, but...
Ethan, we trusted your decisions. Now are you gonna stop wasting our time, or are you gonna live up to our expectations?
Young man, maybe you'll do better next time.
That's a nice song.
Thanks. It's his favorite. It keeps him calm after a long and hard day. Wait, your monkey.
Hey, what's the toy?
It's his favorite. He's had it ever since he was little. He brings it with him everywhere.
Oh.
Why do you want him on stage?
Well, why did he do his music thing in front of me?
What?
You said that he never does this kind of thing in front of other people, right? I mean, he did it in front of me. I don't know, maybe he just wants to come out of his shell or something. I mean, he's smart. And I just think that maybe he wants to do something with his life. You know, something big.
Maybe it's not as ready as you think.
Let me go talk to him. Hey, Jeffrey, I wanted to talk to you. Listen, I don't want to make you do anything you don't want to do. Do you really want to perform on stage? Because if you do, you're going to have to go in front of the directors again. And there's just 3 people. If they let you perform, there'd be a lot more in the audience. But I know you can do it. And they would love you. You would make them happy to be there, seeing you do all this stuff. And I know that you're brave enough to do it. It's all up to you. Alright. We'll get some practice in and get to the board on Monday.
Ethan, this better not be a waste of our time.
Oh, I promise, it isn't.
Very well, you may proceed.
This is quite amazing, but is it good enough for our stage?
amazing. I'm gonna go get Jeffrey backstage.
Okay, I'll go get the car.
Okay.
Oh my God, that was so fake. Just unbelievable. Do they really think they can fool us like this? I mean, there is obviously some kind of hidden stereos behind stage or something.
Yeah, the guy on stage didn't even do it that well. I just wasted my Friday.
You know, I need to wash this bad taste out of my mouth. This is ridiculous.
Jeffrey, you were great. I loved it. But, I don't know how to tell you this. There were some people who didn't like it. They thought it was all fake. Not right now, Jeff.
Hi, I'm Ramsey Allen. I gotta tell you, what else out there was just great.
Look, I thank you very much. I'm sure you're gonna go look for the stereos or
No.
something.
You misunderstand. What I saw out there was no parlor tricks. You gotta tell me, what was it? Okay, I'll be brief. I work for the Apollo Music Theater up in New York. I was down here looking for a bit of talent, and boy, did I find it, and in spades. Look, if you guys ever want to do something a bit bigger than this, here is my card. You have got talent, boy. You are going places. We gotta set this up to be a bit more believable. Come on.
The Apollo Theater?
Yeah.
Oh, this is amazing. Oh, thanks. Yes. We'll be in touch. We promise.
No problem.
Yeah!
Thank you.